this man pulls up and gives me $100. So yeah, we'll let you guys know when we're there.
Ain't nobody fucking with us!
Straight from high school.
Yeah! We do. Ain't nobody fucking with us! Ain't nobody fucking with us! Ain't nobody on this block messing with us, baby. Listen.
Are we getting half of this?
That's crazy.
That motherfucker big, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Those are sweet.
So
When did I
didn't
say
know it
you
was a
could?
he.
Because you told me it was a he.
You know what? Y'all, look at all these my dad got back here. We just did some. And I go,
Oh, guys,
go.
this is
Hold it up. What up, man? You know, man. Real nigga got the cam now. Robocop. Ugly ass. Got this nigga. Yeah. On that bitch. In that. Yeah. Grandson.
Yo, you know what it is.
And then you got this weak punk ass nigga.
Hi. Shut up, nigga. Come here.
All right.
Recording.
Yes, I am.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Yes, I am.
Hi, you guys.
Maya.
Welcome back to the channel. Yeah. Hi, y'all. I know y'all miss me, bro.
No, the
Y'all
fuck
be like,
they
who that
don't.
pretty girl is?
Hey.
We got his nigga looking like he off Men in Black.
And you look like you're off Sesame Street, Big Bird. Hey, y'all know what it is. The vlog wants to see a real sexy nigga. Damn, I need a cut. There you go.
Thanks, bud. We're outside.
We outside with it. Hey, y'all. We outside with it. Got my boyfriend with me. Taylor.
Not the boyfriend.
Can't say shit.
Niggas ain't shit.
I ain't say nothing. Honey motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. No, it can't be a nigga in it when I'm
This nigga is the shit.
Nah, okay, period.
You're gonna take my camera and just give it back.
Whoa.
Don't do it again.
He know he a damn lie.
Heart gone.
I feel ya.
Million, but it's all just a fool. You know what it
What you talking about?
That's how you dance when you
is. Paid, man. Why you
What
hating,
you doing?
man?
Look at his shorts. That was
Nigga.
booty shorts. No, put
Bro,
them on.
no.
Look.
Oh my god!
Yeah, no, bro.
Nigga just dick sucking.
Not the
on God.
spandex. Oh my gosh, I'm
Ain't
done.
nothing wrong with it, but the LGBTQ, but
The LGBTQ.
ain't nothing wrong with it, but that. Look. L emo.
Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Right now I just got done editing my other weekly vlog that's going up for last week. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Let me show you guys. So yeah, we are exporting her now and getting her to get ready to get uploaded to YouTube. So that's what we're doing. It is 1:30 and it is Saturday. I do not have any lashes on. That's probably why I look crazy, but I'm about to go ahead and do my lashes, get dressed, get showered, face wash, teeth brush, everything to get ready for the day, because I do want to go to Trader Joe's and pick up some groceries. And that's pretty much it for today. I think I already got my coffee this morning. So other than that, yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm probably going to just edit today. Today's gonna be like a content day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. And I will catch up with you guys once I am ready. Say hey. We're dressed, ready for the day. We're about to go to, what is it, Trader Joe's?
No,
To get Walmart. We gotta get pizza. We're making homemade pizzas from Trader Joe's with that garlic bread. The garlic breadstick crust is amazing. So yeah, we're about to leave to go to Trader Joe's, get some food.
Candy too.
No candy, because it's $6.50. So yeah, we'll let you guys know when we're there. This is the behind the scenes, y'all. We're trying to do TikTok at the same time as recording YouTube video. Okay, so they have literally everything to make a pizza. They have, I don't know if this is, yeah, this is pizza dough, but I use this one. This one is like the garlic and herb or something like that. Pizza dough, or yeah, garlic and herb pizza dough. So yes, if you guys want to make a pizza, get this one. This one's so good. They also have like seasoned pizza cheese, and then they have the pizza sauce next to it, and they also have the pepperoni next to it, y'all. Oh, what is this? I don't know. But yes, they have all, like, literally everything to make the pizza. So we're getting that. We're also gonna grab some oat milk here, and this one is just the oat dairy beverage, and they also have the unsweetened vanilla. So we're just gonna grab the regular oat beverage one. I'm also gonna grab some kombucha because I ran out, and you guys know this one is my favorite. So we're gonna grab 2 of these, but they also have some flavors over here that I have not seen before. So I'm grabbing, like I said, 2 of those. Then I'm also gonna grab the watermelon wonder. I haven't tried that one. And I kind of want to try the guava, but I don't know, I'm a little scared. My sister gets this one. But they also have like the pink lady ones down here and the passion fruit tangerine. So I'm gonna grab one of these because these are good. This is what we have in our cart so far. We got some oat milk, some cheese for the pizza, pizza sauce. I got these dinners, a chicken tikka masala one and a butter chicken one. And then we got the pepperoni. These granola bars are really good. The pizza dough, and then I got my kombucha. And then Naya has her own cart. She has watermelon, oranges, and strawberries. Ooh. We're going to church, you guys, and we're a little late, not even gonna lie. I got my coffee, outfits, little purse, little shoes. We are coming to church, y'all, to get the word of God in today because it has been a crazy weekend. Just kidding. The weekend has not been crazy. The weekend actually has been great, so.
This is Ezekiel.
Bye.
He's in his class.
Bye. Love you.
Sought the Lord, and He heard. Date a guy and you don't know what you're doing, and let him know I want to be married. And if that runs him off, one less bell to answer. I know you want to leave, but I refuse to let you go. If I have to beg, plead for your sympathy.
Not him trying to coach her on how to take a picture.
No, turn your body
He made it though.
like you're going that way.
Trying to take pictures on this wall.
And then turn your head this way.
Party, let's go party. You don't know what love is, and I need you to know. You to know.
Plenty of time.
Made it here, but my dad forgot his wallet in the car, so he's going back to get it. So we already had to walk from like all the way down there, and the entrance is like all the way over there, so it's not too bad though. It's not too hot. It's sunny out. It was just raining. That's Michigan weather for you. But yeah, look at my sister looking like a Barbie.
For real! That's so heavy!
Dang. I just got home from work. It is currently, let's see, 2:48, and I'm about to go ahead and get me a little protein smoothie. I started my little workout plan. If you guys don't know who Vicky Justice is, she's basically like a fitness, I don't know how to explain it, just like a fitness person who does fitness and all that stuff. But I started her plan that she just came out with. I don't know if she just came out with it, but she sent it to me in my email because I asked, well, I didn't ask, but I subscribed to it. So why am I always out of breath every time I pick up the camera? Like, what's wrong with me? Anyways, yeah, so I haven't ate anything yet. I ate a bagel earlier, and then I'm about to go ahead and get my protein smoothie now, and then I'm gonna do my workout later. I was gonna do another workout at the gym. It was like a little circuit on the treadmill, but I'm about to go to Target and get some stuff that I need. So I'm gonna get a little bit of hygiene stuff, and then get my smoothie, and then I'm just gonna come back and chill. And then I also have like my grain bowl full of protein. So the thing is with these workouts, or with what I'm trying to do with my body, I just have to eat lots of protein. So that's what I'm trying to focus on, y'all. So I'm gonna go get me a little smoothie, go to Target, and just have you guys come with me because I haven't picked up the camera in a couple days. Like I said, I just got off of work. And usually I get like 1 day a week where I'm out at like 2. So I'm gonna start using those days to my advantage and start vlogging. So let's go get us a smoothie, sis. And let's go to Target. I got my smoothie. I just got the peanut paradise. So it's peanut butter, banana, yogurt, and whey protein. And then I also added some pineapple to it. I got this last time and it's actually not that bad. I mostly just get it for the protein, but you know, I don't mind bananas or peanut butter or anything like that. But anyways, yes, we got our smoothie. We're about to go ahead and go over to Target. I ran out of some face wash. There's just some items I want to pick up, so yeah, I just want to stock up on some items so that I didn't run out of them yet, but I just want to make sure I have them just in case I do, because y'all, La Roche-Posay, I don't know what it is, but they cannot stay stocked up in Target for nothing. So I'm about to go ahead and pick up some of my products from there. See if they also have the Black Girl sunscreen, because last time I went to do my shopping vlog, they didn't have it. And just kind of find some stuff. Just go have fun. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and head over there, and I will catch up with you guys once I get there. This little bathing suit. OMFG. This is so cute, but if only I went to the beach or anything. I really don't go nowhere. Cute. Even this little like jean kind of one is cute. You can't tell me this ain't cute. This is so cute. Like, I just feel like the chain, I don't know, it's okay, but she's cute. I love coming to Target for some clothes, y'all, especially some workout clothes, because they always have some workout stuff. Ooh, they got sweatpants. I'm always like buying sweatpants. I don't know what it is, but every time I come to Target, I love their sweatpants. I love their workout stuff. So, you know, I'm about to check out the workout stuff. I've been really into like the pinks, but there's like no support. Like, titty's gonna be out. You feel me? Look at this little tennis dress. This is so freaking cute. I'm supposed to be coming here for some face wash, but I kind of want to get some candles. I really want some fall scented candles. That's how I really love my house to smell. And they have a cinnamon pumpkin muffin. Let me show you guys. First of all, let me grab my cart. So they have cinnamon pumpkin muffin, heritage pumpkin brulee. Let me smell it. Wow, it smells like fall. Bourbon pumpkin. OMG, that smells really nice. They have a fall day. They have a pumpkin pancakes, and I really like the pumpkin pancake waffles or something like that at what is it called? Bath and Body Works. These smell good. Wow, y'all, I want to buy all of them. Okay, there's pumpkin shortbread. Let's smell that. Okay, it's very light. It's very light. I don't know. They have an autumn harvest. Wow, that smells good. But I think I'm gonna get some candles. Ooh, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna get the pumpkin pancakes because first of all, this stuff smells top tier. So I'm gonna get one of those. Put it here in the cart. Oh, they have an almond croissant. Okay, wait. I'm so excited I can't even open this stuff. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay, wait. Because I'm still stuck between this one. I'm not spending $30 on candles. But this smells good. Wow. I wonder if these two kind of smell the same. Let me smell. Because I feel like I'm like tripping. No, this one has more of a sweeter scent. This is definitely more like a fall. Oh, that smells so good. I cannot wait for pumpkin season, fall season. Like, oh, I'm about to do it up this year, y'all. But I don't know. I really don't know. Let me smell this again. Wow, it just smells so delicious. I think I'm just gonna go, which one did I get? This one. What's this? Oh my gosh, that smells so, yeah, I'm gonna go with this one too. So yeah, we're gonna go with that. Put that in there. Look, we already sitting here shopping for stuff that I'm not even supposed to be picking up. This is ridiculous. It's out of hand. Oh, look at the pillows. Every time I come here, I just have to look at the home stuff because I really want to redo my room in like a, I don't know, kind of this type of vibe. I don't know what you would call this, like a beach house type of vibe. I don't know. This color is super cute. I also love these little blankets. They're just so freaking cute for like the end of the bed. So cute. This reminds me of my cardigan I have at home. Oh, one day I'm just gonna have to redo my room and just come here and splurge. So yeah. Okay, so I'm done looking for things that I don't need. I'm gonna go get the stuff that I actually came here for. Everyone's staring at me. Is it because I look cute or is it because I'm vlogging? Like I said, they have one left. So this is the face wash that I'm using, that I always use, that I've been using for like the past year. She does wonders. She's amazing. And we're picking her up. So yeah. Okay, so I've also been wanting to eat more protein bars just to get some protein in. And my grandma actually used to make me eat these. So let me see. They even have protein powder, but I'm not a fan. I've tried it once. It's disgusting. It's just, I can't do it. But I am going to get some protein bars. I just don't know which ones. I haven't done my research, and I really don't want anything too chocolatey. They have a blueberry cobbler with 20 grams of protein. Wow. That looks good. Cinnamon French toast. I just really don't like chocolate chips or chocolate or anything like that. I know it probably sounds crazy. But then they also have these ones as well. And I think these are the ones my grandma used to make me get. But they're not as much protein as the other ones. So, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to pick up some of these. There's only 4 bars in here for $7.99. That's crazy. I'm actually going to go to Trader Joe's as well. I'm going to try these. I know it sounds crazy. I am going to try them. They sound so good. So I'm going to try those. And then this is what we have in the cart so far. So I have my my facial cleanser. I have some candles, and then I have my protein bars. Thanks. See you again soon. Tell me why this man pulls up and gives me $100. Girl, if he wanted to, he would. I don't even know this man. I don't even know this man. He just gave me some money. Okay, so I ended up putting those protein bars back because $7.99 for 4 bars is crazy when I can go to Trader Joe's and get a whole pack of 12, I believe, for $4. So the math isn't mathing. I don't care how good it sounds. A girl is trying to save her coin. So I'm gonna go over to Trader Joe's and get my protein bars, and we're gonna head home. Okay, so these are the protein bars. They're $3.49 for 5 bars. I believe there's 5 bars in here. 5 bars, so that's way better.